Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to show you daily chart. Time frame will be daily and not moving lower than that. Currently it is 4 hour. Let me make it to daily. This is Bank Nifty. And clearly there is a rejection from this zone. I use simplified term zone. In fact, it is a fair value gap. Another thing, see the RSI. RSI is below 20 SMA, also below 9 EMA, and weekly moving average, which is also 9. So all three factors are bearish. I know few will be jumping right now, seeing Bank Nifty ended in a green. Very good, it was a nice comeback. But to me, if I see the daily time frame, nothing to cheer about. Reason I have already shown. RSI and fair value gap. If I move to weekly, RSI is below 50. Not a good thing, let me tell you. And on the monthly, it is below 60. All these days, recently when market was moving up, monthly was above 60. Now it has moved below 60. So a major reason in my view, be very careful with your longs. Now let's move to Nifty. Nifty daily same. RSI is below 50, around 42 or 43, whatever you like. Took support from this zone, but could not able to cross this fair value gap zone. I am not bullish neither in Nifty or Bank Nifty, seeing the present scenario. Let's go to weekly now. Oh, weekly is also below 50 for Nifty, I mean. I am using RSI 14, let me tell you, and it is about 60 when we move to monthly. There are few zones already developed below, so in my view those zones are likely to get tested very soon. The big one is here, 16,400, something like that. For Bank Nifty, 34,000. Whatever the case, market is strictly not trading for long due to the factor I have mentioned, RSI, etc. Let this structure become bullish and then you may try long, but not for now. पहली बार इंग्लिश में ट्राई किया है, इंग्लिश और हिंदी none of my prime language, but still trying. All the best, enjoy and have a nice evening. Bye bye.